Hello everyone. Today we're tackling a crucial skill that can make a big difference in your academic lifetime management. Whether you're juggling multiple subjects, extracurricular activities, or part-time work, effective time management is key to staying organized and achieving your goals. In this video, I'll share some powerful strategies to help you manage your time more efficiently. Let's dive in. Tip number 1. Create a detailed schedule. The first step to effective time management is creating a detailed schedule. Start by listing all your tasks, assignments, and activities. Having a clear overview of your week helps you allocate time appropriately and ensures nothing falls through the cracks. Tip number 2. Prioritize tasks with the Eisenhower matrix. To manage your tasks effectively, use the Eisenhower matrix to prioritize them. Divide tasks into 4 categories. First, urgent and important. Do these immediately. Second, important but not urgent. Schedule these tasks. Third, urgent but not important. Delegate these if possible. Fourth, not urgent and not important. Consider eliminating these tasks. This method helps you focus on what truly matters and manage your time more effectively. Tip number 3. Use the Pomodoro technique. The Pomodoro technique is a time management method that involves working in short, focused intervals, typically 25 minutes followed by a 5-minute break. After completing 4 intervals, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. This technique helps maintain concentration and prevent burnout by balancing work and rest. Tip number 4. Set SMART goals. When setting goals, use the SMART criteria: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Instead of vague goals like study more, set specific objectives like complete chapter 5 of biology by Friday. SMART goals help you stay focused and track your progress more effectively. Tip number 5. Avoid multitasking. Multitasking might seem efficient, but it often reduces productivity and increases errors. Instead, focus on one task at a time. By dedicating your full attention to a single activity, you'll complete it more efficiently and with higher quality. Tip number 6. Use time blocks for study sessions. Time blocking involves setting aside specific blocks of time for studying different subjects or tasks. For example, allocate 1 hour for math followed by 30 minutes for history. This technique helps ensure balanced attention across subjects and prevents last-minute cramming. Tip number 7. Develop a routine. Establishing a daily routine helps create a sense of structure and predictability. Incorporate study time, breaks, exercise, and leisure activities into your routine. Consistency helps reinforce productive habits and ensures you make the most of your time each day. Tip number 8. Review and adjust regularly. Regularly review your schedule and goals to assess what's working and what needs adjustment. Life is dynamic and flexibility is key. Make necessary changes to your plan to accommodate new tasks or shifts in priorities, ensuring you stay on track. So there you have it, essential time management strategies to help you stay organized and productive. Implementing these tips will not only enhance your efficiency but also reduce stress and improve your overall academic performance. If you found these strategies helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Letstute, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. Share your own time management tips or ask questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.